Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the camshaft position sensor on a Nissan Pathfinder. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Next, you'll need to locate the camshaft position sensor, which is typically found near the cylinder head. Finally, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns during the process. Now, let's remove the old sensor. Begin by carefully unplugging the electrical connector. It usually has a small tab to press. Then, grab your 10mm socket and remove the single retaining bolt that holds the sensor in place. Once the bolt is out, gently pull the old sensor straight out of its housing. Avoid twisting or prying too aggressively to prevent damage to surrounding components. With the old sensor removed, it's time to install the new one. First, apply a thin layer of clean engine oil to the new sensor's O-ring. This helps it slide in smoothly and ensures a good seal. Carefully insert the new sensor into the engine opening, making sure it seats properly. Then, reinstall the 10mm retaining bolt and tighten it securely, but do not over-tighten. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new camshaft position sensor, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Next, reattach the negative battery terminal, making sure the connection is tight. Finally, start your Nissan Pathfinder's engine. Listen for smooth operation and check your dashboard for any lingering check engine lights or diagnostic trouble codes. If all looks good, you've successfully replaced your sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.